guys, it's me, Serenity here. Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button. Turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today we are going to be making a bat. What we're going to need for the bat is a paper towel roll, some glue, a permanent marker. You could use a black marker or whatever, scissors, some tape, some acrylic paint, paintbrush, paper plate, and you're gonna need a feather, yellow paper, black paper. Okay, so what we're gonna grab is our paper towel roll. Then you're gonna fold it in like that, pinch and pinch. Same for the other side. Put that in, pinch and pinch. Then you have it, a little body for him. Oh, and we're gonna paint him now. So what you're gonna bring in is your paints. You're gonna paint him like I'm gonna paint him. I finished painting. Look at him. Now we're gonna grab our yellow paper and we're gonna cut out his pupils. For this, you're gonna need the Sharpie or whatever marker you have. And you're gonna need, oof, my scissors fell, and some scissors. I finished with gluing his wings on and drawing his pupils. Now we're gonna move on to his wings. You could draw whatever wings you want. Now we're gonna grab our black paper. We're gonna cut them out and then tape them or glue them on. Now I've been done with taping them and pasting them. Now look at his wings. Okay, now we're gonna need our feather to make his hair. And I've been done with her little hair. It kind of looks like a bow. You could do things or you don't have to. Okay, bye guys. See you guys later.